In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ACH payments with Bank of America for 2025. Whether you're handling personal finances or running a business, learning how to efficiently manage ACH payments can greatly enhance your financial processes. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll need to access your Bank of America account. You can do this by either opening the Bank of America app on your mobile device or visiting their website at bankofamerica.com. Once you're there, log in using your online ID and passcode. Make sure you are logged in securely, especially if you're accessing your account from a shared or public device. Next, navigate to the Transfers Zelle section of your dashboard. This is the hub for managing all your transfer needs. If you're managing a business account, look instead for Payments and Transfers. You'll find the option to set up ACH payments here. Now locate and select Transfer to from other banks, ACH. This is a crucial step because it allows you to connect an external bank account, which is necessary for conducting ACH transfers. It opens up the pathway to both send and receive funds efficiently. Moving forward, it's time to add the external bank account you'd like to connect. Enter the routing number and account number associated with that bank account. You'll also need to select the account type, either checking or savings. Once you've filled out this information, simply tap Continue to proceed to the verification stage. For verification, Bank of America will send two small test deposits, usually less than $1 each, to the account you've just added. Keep an eye on your external bank account for these deposits. Once you notice them, head back over to the BoeFay app, follow the path to transfers, and find the Verify Account section. You'll be prompted to enter the two small deposit amounts to confirm the connection. Once the verification process is complete, you're all set to handle ACH payments. You can now send ACH payments to other accounts or vendors and also receive ACH deposits, which includes things like payroll or direct deposits. If you're looking to set up recurring ACH payments, you can easily do so. Tap Make Transfer, then adjust frequency to your preference, whether that's weekly, monthly, or another time frame that suits your needs. Finally, don't forget to review all the details you've entered to ensure everything is accurate, and then simply hit Confirm. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up ACH payments with Bank of America. With these steps, managing your funds and keeping track of transactions becomes a lot easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more great tips.